Mini a penny. Aye.
It is still because for the time I'm not glad I see was a son. Yenti se wakako ya bonidia or baby. And no crane so or more on the horse on yes, the Gary and Agarisi come on no more jaiko. It is said for the past 1 week, Sawusha Nabra Bonnie son or yen in Yaman, and we evidence the testimony say, oh, or your changed person was the son. Come, put in the original answer, my man was the sign.
Mr. Elifas, Medas. In fact, ye born na ebia menimu da foforo bi mo ebeto aso ene ade na we the mama friend no tansa na men come anim ne ade maka se ye mame konfo agrada
the evangelist patient to draw party
me say konfo agrada
evangelist patient to
me say konfo agrada masa nyame shirawo die wo me say ne nsesa ye emfa me kum chacha ho enya me maame ba enya me papa ba salvation is individually atemu dadu na okọ heaven na okọ mo no ane ho ana atemu dadu na okọ hye ewo bronsam gyamu a onya me kurom ni onfra chema pedwa onya achemu ni onya maame ba nya papa ba de ado emfa me ho na dwen sakra ne de emfa me ho se wo bi se wasakra salvation is individually eye wono a na epra oye ne nkwadie ne kra ho adwuma eno de enhame by na me point ne say na me point ya me point ne say enkrofo sika ana akodi ne nchen ana oyes waso oyes sika gale ne enkrofo sika akodi ne nchen eti se wasese baby amrada Ghana constitution ne da ani obi a opeso ode ne court ani obi a opeso ode ne pro station ani obi o wo evidence bia no otubi tu anamon kwaye de obeye no eno de enfense saye ho because ye to mamu a na ye mankrofo bi ye bukata na won bukata nkrofo wi a na e wo mu an onipa kasa masesa na nsesa ye amasesa nti no ye nya na chidi a Dano me catch now say it was a Tuesday. Yes, solid na number one so solid no cast on so sacra. Wadani reverend and a pastor. That is any part number one do on Kenyan and Yama number one and Feniana. I get question Yama number one and Feniana. The Atosumi, you know, I tell you or one someone. Yes, solid Tuesday, Wednesday. Now tell you Casa one so assassin. Now tell you Ghana buying Kojano. Na won san mre kurom emra medidi endana ensesaye eno mfa wo bi ho eti no onwa won wode won ka no ene se so obomade so obetuyetua so na da bia me kasa won ma me repeat bia ba ka to say ye ni sika gale me sofu kum chacha maka sika banku ye ni bi sika konkonte ye ni bi ana lotto number hwa ene wuli made yenti amede me book ya betoa ya wa me ya na obi sa makokonfo nchen me koye no ene wa ma me paper white ene o ma me no o se me nkwada so no lotto numbers ya begu so azan ya azan oh Dabi a plain white paper now on per candle now on my clone the candle natural will plain white paper so what try and second the white na paper na white into no and try and also what about be a single 5 number 10 19 3 numbers now what the candle never to play white paper so what the try ya wade bi etise jebidie no de ade na faso what the ade na faso a wo bobo paper no de ma wa wo bedu fie no ba all mess number ni be show wo so because no wadi kan the natural de da and what the say jebidie na ade na etise bidie na faso etu du fie a say de tie bia wo bi paper no so ana say paper no wo sell paper na say de tie bia number ni baba be gu so enya duro dabi enya duro dabi Elifas enya duro eye trick eye azan ana de ye ya won ye no se so ko konfo ne nchen na wagye usika bi 200 million 300 million 400 million wa na bia wo yo ba na ko ne wono ma loss bi ni mra bi obehyehyɛ ama wono obetumi aka to sa na ju 2 o'clock 3 o'clock sole kwa musie ye mama wade bi kodua wa musie wo ko kanche na kanche ade ye ni wa musie ye wono mo a de wo hwehwɛ no wo ba ebeba mu ama obi anim se oba bia owo wiase bia no enhye de ne akokuduro eti no oba besia be na naju 2 o'clock na 3 obeka de se wono nko anso ni firi ni dem enko sie ye 2 ana 3 sa yeah odi bibi so be hye wutiri maka kire wo se wo kwa na se wodi wo bi di wachi a ade ya na sei hwa Mr. Elifas me so fukum chacha me kan na maka ni nabiem me konfo agrada me baye almost by 3 months nie osoma wo bi kura ma odi ska bra me manje yeah I tell you the truth
or the brows or the baba boy for real
nya for here
the so seed was sorry
enye so seed
na sika no fanya
and some no so sa masa wo se wo bi di bone sa na wo papa ni nsem sa ya no person odi sika na si wa no kwan me yeah 2,000 and 5,000 enye miska eya mi petrol ska na woche eti me no 5,000 na me konfo agrada edi se ska na wode so ma osofo bi a wo ye se won fe mra me no se sika no me manje so ade ase edi ya me kasa me kai da na ye wi program ya ye fudi ana ma ye koye no Mr. Elifas course bebre na aba course ba me no tie makase sofukum chacha me say ye free anoma da no da be ne ye ba ampo no Wednesday kwa na ade course bebre na aba me fa me tuwo nto form me fa me second gu form me fa makodi ngu form so ade ase ba me sofukum chacha me kase konfo grada me se tie me se woni aduro maka me se na woni aduro double aduro kwa woni bi ntonto.
How come say over 15-20 years or to me dada nipa baby
aya 419 aya azan aya 419 na woni enye studio ya na da na catch us say me no me no buy ye program me so fukum chacha me de chop box si ya ami biye mu ana bibiye ni ma me di yisika san na woni se se da na wala se wola eni so create ni mu nyina wa na ye won wanwa na ya man say nyina won wase matumi ye iska ba mi empty chop box ba mi wie no me kire mu kire nkorofo say ye tereke ya azan eti me
enti wo ko tina TV so na wo ye na wo say me na ma ni ebra na me ma chop box no bia how did you
awurade ayaza akonfo ne ma won ye nyina A to Z me ni nyina ye
sa
ya me ni nyina ye enye wonim kwan am efa so am hu ye one guy bi na your friend is Sule na Sule no na oye Muslim and osesa be ye ayi o Kristoni and obeye sofo eti na wonim setrek ni azani nyina so ade ase eti no Sule ni suyesuya se na yama ni bebre pa eti ya ni Sule kokurusie di ba bia na Sule agina platform so no wo show the actual public na say se na yama ni nyina ya trek ya azan eti ama me so mesuya se na yama ni firi Sule ho eti minim akonfo no ne yama ni nyina ye enye duro enye na se konfo agrada kan wa ni video bi a wa ye wa se enkwasiafo ebe ye adwuma o ye adwuma ni wi a na o ma boabo ani nyina no e de akoma onu nyansa ni agrada eti woni ye duro
na se mami asuma so mo fase kambre o se wonji edi mo afrefre wo se kum stasha ceasefire drop your weapons jana se mami
minya de
jana se mami so mo pa wo cho se na wayi ni to no eye se wayi ni to kakra wo di enjai se o si wa se sa ne sika no nkodi mi sa se
onu anfra me nya apology onu anfra no nya apology
I don't know apologize ma
won apologize the asem so me gusu a me radio to radio TV to TV ba bia me gina bia ya babo na asem so bia meka oni aduro me say sofukum chacha me ka ne aka ni biam maame no na bibi wɔ ne tirim a na wɔno ankasara sɛ bibi ne ne tirim a ka be 4-5 years ago anka won kɔtɔ aso dan si o what aso dan yes wo be 4-5 years ni
time a okom no
yeah
now sombo no
yeah
Satan na auto sorry
Satan na auto aso dan no thank you eno na Ghana fo sese Ghana fo hu yeah eno na sese Ghana fo hu e say yes maame no na dwen ne wo ni tiri mo no maame ka asem to say ye 419 on sese ye na ya na twa me ba radio Super TV so a menye wo bia menye konfo agrada so adwen say me kum chacha wo betumi di matchofo ahunahuna meda ana menye na adwen so wo betumi de say boys na ahunahuna kum chacha oboa na me ko ahuni mo wadi machi na apart from that no me kum chacha no maame nkasa wo de ewia so no wo bi kona kire no wakode enye menye wo bi adwen sa kora eti ye de me no kura na me ka kire Ghana fo say maame na wose wasesa no won hye den sesan ye on hye den sesan me na me ka kire wona
enti etina se wuti se si a wakwako se o sorry dan dada enti no ne se aka dum enti so start say on evangelize on to say prophet Kofi Ojomuyi or around market to market na o kanya mi asem onya dom kakra de na ti o start asori so
obi a wawure pu obi da aye de ne ko prison no opia oni experience kora enye nkwale nketenkete no fu amiyemi a.
You are welcome to Best Entertainment Show with Alifas and Saado on OK 101.7.
Alifas, the American what? Me say, Lotto, you know, me ya wa no man sana maswali o. Awumra Facebook. Enkrofo omra Facebook sesi a. Aha.
So for 7 years
no pia. Aha. Only experience kra no. Eyen kwala nketenkete no fu amiyemi a.
Eju ba gbe say so evangelist patience odro kwase ko bia sorry e china. Won di ni ndi say on bo sorry for na po.
Enwa na yin dan otope. Yeah. Enwa Mr. Alifas enwa na yin dan otope. So that's here. It's immediate. Miss Sofukum Chacha, the minimum who in society be a lack. I was said. Now, mammy, we were right. Juma would dink for Ghana. Juma would dink for Ghana. Hapano. Mr. Elifas, and you market well. And if in peace of money, Wakra. I told the Alabama, probably 40-50 no good piece of money.
Mame no or the chain chitiri on 9 mu call the fee. And now the toast you three say one pass can mama bo two or 4 COB.
We are say buy here. We are say buy here. Sabe, adwen ye dani patirim no. Ebi adwen te say articulator eso. Ebi ye te say the Mazda. Ebi ye te say Sprinter. Ebi ye te say Matis. Obi o wa anadwen wo fom. Eno nche se obi adwen wo fom ntia na adwen wo fom no se obi ye ni bukata na obuna na ye jan se woni pa na ye ni bukata se wa ansoma no wa amfre no Ghana ha o we hwe TV lances ani radio lances no bebre ya bogos o ya bogos because ya wa Ghana ha say na si ye tuminya malamfo ni bi akonfo ni bi na yetumi nya nkrofo bi ama otumi batena TV so atumi yesika gali sika konkonte ana mebo sika ho sa ne yama we nyina aka ho ana maka asoa incident na si ye nsi ya sa nkoda enketo miyenu atumi chi won nuanom akoda aketo baako a sabe onku ni ya sa ne yama ni nyina na on hwe wo TV so twa edu tama Mr. Alifas edu tama Ghana from penifo esese on sole na bi ye adwuma ebisara edu ba bi ya Mr. Alifas on ya na ba bi esikedu esi no ya na no koda nye adwuma ho
before the working in the prayer say make sure say content about TV so more classify but sometimes how we say it read any brain, sika any brain, na yet me book some people are poor. Because some more virginal piece of feminine, some will come.
Oh, yeah, there.
Or more,
Ah.
we see from what God, grad, abo, mo, virginal piece of no moon to came a Christ to software parker. It's any brain. I mean, I don't know what sounds like.
Ana make us say we as will be funkuma yamfum enya. Oh, I know dear. Maka na hand nim nyansa. Ana dream pa ye adwuma. Obatam sika 500 million, 400 million, and 300 million. Some de call na me nyonko abosika no ho amane. Na wa ye sika gale e de amame. Twa ade enti am di free yampanifo no so no say. Twa eto da bi na hwe TV a na okonfo bi aba TV no so malam bi aba so na wo de ahaban abegu TV ni so bebre na sam a wo kan say ahaban no wo tumi dane ahaban ni sika public television ni international television wo tumi dane ahaban sika da no mi kire mu wa kire wo say ya wo Ghana ha na ye wa akonfo wa wo malamfo ni bi e wo ha na wo tumi dane ahaban sika Ghana president China akwaji lo wa yaman nsan yeah America akwaji lo wa yaman nsan naka osanya na akonfo na bati bi so ne malamfo ni bi no na ya pemu mako fo e de won akọ stadium ana ya don ko stadium na ahaban ye wokuma se kwansu nyina na ya kotwetwa ni nyina begu stadium dia watakora de kwansu ni ya kotwetwa ni nyina begu stadium ya de ni nyina begu wa ni amon asojafo 4 pe asojafo do before complain ni ama asojafo 4 pe na asojafo na ye adwuma na ye hye konfo bi a ana malam bi a wono ebetumi ama haban adanska sani yama we no Elifas ewrade ya to so fukum chacha matu kwan kakra makwa eburochire kuro be na wo be koso a television ye de wo beto so aye double ska Bank of Ghana sani yama we so yama dwuma eburochire kuro be na wo be koso a ya ne ye biye semba kuro finance nketen ya ontumi ye adwuma be ye 2 years onwa ye adwuma 2 years ya wi a onwa zen nkrofo agigin nkrofo sika wi no na Bank of Ghana fo ni bi ababa wonum abegina se eni yeni mo hwe masa system ni adwuma system is not working
okay
and ye adwuma yeah
yema kumchacha mrena onu so kakra oya o see send sada no be yi sika wo ha from an empty top box no our country say me pekra me fa David and not a producer man or better meeting now time the team was serious our torment say never for their fine but ABI also DJ boss one kind of mic about Pablo pa they say better meeting out the basis now what kind of thing say and say and then so see about the tray send na omudi star omu fake lotto numbers no sad ni na e intricacy enye no correct and say Brendu ana wayamai yema a friend is saying cancel Lutot in dream Lutot ebano na kumchacha or CC in Yamano or prepare me tools na sena plain white paper iron troshi was A4 sheet ya DSS for the technical drawing or see or the bar they shred or bad time Lutot namagoso Lutot, you've listened to your brother, what's here when you know?
Elifas say Obakaya maka and the idea that say as of dealing yam som no oti ase yi a okonfo agrada obaye okonfo sa kosi time wi ase be wi na ye nim no say oye evangelist yen a Christopher a yaji Nyankopon so dia yati Nyankopon hyehyɛ ase ekwan a ye fa so mo wi be ye sankeni ema Nyankopon agrada endu ho na se osi onye okonfo biom dia na so ye kronfo eso konfo ni okonfo ehun nyina adwuma ba ko no mo ye waja se enti se title no abre no osesa dia otun ko ye no konfo ye ba gina tu sa but there be na konfo any akonfo different be ne wo because ne kom no oye no enye se ate se odi akom no esa ahaban ya de bi na de ayedim se siga gari na oye what must say
Or the disc.
na nokudo mu ni say omo nso ekodi na chi na kum chacha aka say yen fa so bo no bo TV na dem me no mo nya sa adwe sa area ho I don't want people to go there say obi e wa sorry dem mu preach nyame asem na ose nyame ebebie kwan kese bi ama na ba bi a ogire sesi a hwe wo kotokuo mu sika eso pa wo mfa bra fa bebo afore ma nyankopon nipa ne ngbo wapo is as a result of your faith ujidie nti se konfo ba TV so na mo se yen yi akronfo yen yi konfo enfi TV so eso me akronfo yen yi malamfo eso me akronfo obi o maloto na bi o beti yen yi ni fi so na se yi asofo nyina so fi TV so. If we stop the fetish priests and the malams from preaching on our airwaves, immediately we should stop pastors too from preaching.
Oh, look at Abia. Maybe see as you say, on can't say yes, your money now, or see on more pass on my bed double.
No, but unfortunately, by which means can we identify this as genuine or this not genuine?
I see them saying it.
No, but I mean,
Mr.
I mean, you can always have these things coming to clarify the point. A simple thing.
Mr. Eliphas.
Say a simple be ambassador. Yeah, you be a vessel.
Once I never look at me about the double sicano. That doubling money, no, I am brand new, say, double Ghana sika.
Mrana or the ban on Basse or Jessica on your money laundry. What Basse by faith. Sika we be double. Is it not the same thing we do in church as pastors?
No. No physical.
Whatever it is by faith.
A faith in our constitution, let's say, and double sika.
Securities and Exchange Commission. And Peninsula State, sa wo che ya we say all tay say me di sheche mu ana ya wo so adakabraka abozi na 400 ya baba than 1000
na 400
governor of Ghana
na 400 neba na ye fake currency mabopo na 400 neba na ye the same one with correct serial number. Why do you challenge it?
Na this kabia won one unique
serial banner serial number na unique
with whose signature?
You are having your currency. There's nothing fake about it.
But why next time out?
What is your problem?
My problem is that it hasn't been authenticated.
By who?
By the Bank of Ghana.
No, by who?
By the Bank of Ghana.
I give you 200 Ghana cedis with a signature, correct serial number. The features are correct. What are you challenging?
It was issued by the Bank of Ghana.
And the one I gave you?
It was issued from your cap. Bank of Ghana issue.
No, but how? But is it a legal tender?
Because in free Bank of Ghana, legal.
Says who is not coming from Bank of Ghana?
No, that is the law.
No, who says it's not coming from Bank of Ghana?
Because it just came from your cap.
The money you are holding, is it from Bank of Ghana?
Yes.
Who gave you?
His name is Lutrus Koso.
No, so at the end of the day, you see, let's not start.
Now the chino bring.
Yeah, me and share.
Now chino ira.
That me and share be ase.
Ghana ye double sika. Ghana ye double sika.
Ya bedu ye ho. Say ya share be ase. Media no say e gidie de de adwuma. And to catch him say confo TV so na okasa e be say amanfo Halifax adwuma ya sha ase a magician say ye ye twa ni part 2 or 3 days a yes anko nya ne no Orange Junction no e wo ho dada 80s nya na wo after 1999 they call down na obi ni wo baka say yes sell bubu TV so Chelsea begins at home TV na nipa na hwe then na say no ye nyina ye show crofo sa kum chacha no ti o kan sisi aso di disini bi anante wana disini so da ni disini
man kasa me di disini anante me kasa no na wo da
sisi na me nya ne
na me kasa da bi tie me se ye fro obi sule
na oye de
na sule no oye obi a ono no oye muslim e no sisa ye e na me ba
oye malam
o ntie me se na wonim akomodwuma mu na wonim se na yama ne ye
ti kum chacha enya adamfo
ya ye kasa ya menda
Unya okonfo adamfo bi o kire wo se no me yeto
anya konfo
ba me ka kire wo se kum chacha ya wode enya tricks ba susum ni yipie
Ghana ebi ni ya
wo na nchie
wo boa
wo nchie bi
wo me se wo boa
wo akire
Ghana ebi ni ya
Halifax me come on say agrada de onye evangelist e de ye jatu na asofo na edi na chi bo mpaye ma na omo ye evangelist no omunjai stomach directional attitude
stomach direction
say agrada Ejidi no beso omudi omudi pata ebata agrada ho. Agrada se wasakra menye Nyankopɔn. But the meaning ne say agrada ntumi nse say ne enko kan nyame asem because he is empty.
Ebia wa ya Kristo ne bi wa kwa
David agrada nya bi da.
Osana no establish ba.
David onye bi da.
Onko asori pen.
On do level a otumi evangelize.
You were lay preachers.
No, agrada is not a lay preacher. No. Per the criteria, she needs training if she wants to become a lay preacher. Because going to deliver the word as a Berean Christian.
It won't teach you.
Say, you didn't make a ukasa
Kachi na yenti
na say una make kasa. Mama kati
tie. You will be on call Bible school. Na Bible see end times no.
But I say, steady to show yourself approved. A workman on the field, dividing the word of truth. So steady is the word. Don't worry. No, your problem. Your problem is say, agrada to me and repent and evangelist. That's what that's so funny. Didn't you know prayer show? A good con. Ah, okay, the Holy Bible, the good book. Say Holy Bible, they are printing or printing press. Oh, but the fact say about agrada doesn't give her the right to become an evangelist. And we are criteria that they are supposed to be. There be obia what's now opinion nasia sua dia ya suma nkrom. Now, yes, you be strong for an auntie and no small say, one call and my mom now. You teach before you are supposed to go. Okay. And Obi to say, you to Nia, a friend, Dana Samoa, our evangelist Samano. She has not been trained to be ushered out. Oh, hey. Who kaidini dia media to me say, we are training, I usher me out. You are trained and ushered. Then you become awesome Kenny.
But Elifas,
such them chance here.
Obi to me, I say, Obi di boni, ewo kurum. Obi to me arrest no, but when your police,
citizen arrest.
Thank you. You can go and now no camera phone they want say. Dabi. What you say? Don't fail me. Ah, one no camera for one say no na me kwa me koka brofo a. Osram said
if say me camera for won ti ase ti den na o kan.
Now we then na me ti ase.
Ndi me kan
ko am e dan ti ase.
Ndi men kan.
Obrofo no ye grammar.
Enti kan.
Me ti ati ase. The woman say Obi betumi arrest Obi. E wo bra onye police ni. So I say. Any your word you was na akọ police. Me kura na me bo wa.
Said
the American me dey support wo dey.
They be supporting
by
for the fact say okay ta Bible e kan nyame asem na no try so evangelist. And for the fact say me arrest you be say the police. Yeah, sir. And say look for say from na onye sani.
And the next one is say come church say wakota sorry dying. Tie, sorry dying tono. E ma onye Kristo ni. Esa sorry dying do bebre wa ma no ne se sia no. Encrophobe to told their yard for baby. It is so for now or tone a sorry dining man. Now sorry near Coswanka on to a sorry dino emano. Nyami fresh of war. A sorry man can be a soft a sorry Nicole. A buyer. No, a buyer. Come take a sorry dino. When I sorry dino. When una sorry dan kese no osi oton a ebu obebo no se wuntumi ntua na ye Kristo ni na se bio okonfo ana kremuni ana buddhism betumi asa so wetan
nse wo wajijiji asori for collection dia to asase dia si asori for ton asori dan na makonfo
aliva minga ko no club akonchiro se kum chacha tie na asori na esi na asori for the see ono see
asori for collection
ohun still come roofing cost akum chacha da oyi skali ko tu a roofing I sorry for a moment 200 years and I said no munya da eti anyame di assembly see no the scan now this year we see na sorry and now see your oton edifice no be to or your confu or your den auto and no there enfa ho but the next point I make can say
Now we see from now on.
me see for nkrofo no nso omo gidi sa agrada e wo powers into omo call ho. It is by faith. Me argument ni say agrada station e close. E san say NCA any whatever rights omo won. Say na kun jaga say omo ni ho. The right to operate e bia wa fom sa kwan. Then wa fom sa kwan when the license is supposed to renew, it me renew an cost. But me argument back when e ha ma say you see you be faith oriented. Once you are a genuine Christian, you can preach on TV. But thank you. That's my issue. That's my issue. Let Jesus Christ catch up say.
That is a topic for another.
No, but Jesus Christ catch up say. You see now, nipo odua de no dua de pa no. Emra wa da no. Ewidifo no be dua de bonu wo. No bi say na Christ ye ntutu ana. O si won ja na wo nyina nyimbo. E say wan hwa de ebufuo be se papa ni nyina. Enti say ye nyina ye gitu mu say freedom of worship. Freedom of religion. The fetishists can buy airtime and come and do their thing. The Christian can buy the airtime too, according to the faith of the people. And then the body says, see, mema, Kramoni TV, so, memo, imagine it is their rights. Pay your democracy.
But
So don't stop it. No, I'm talking about the Malams and those who are doing their thing, their faith.
We are Cremonio, we are Busumnio, Ubetunia, but it is a bear while here. But the Uba say, Uba bedobo Ghana Sika.
Abeyaza.
Then your friend Azan,
Oh, Massa. Now what you own Maza?
Oba, Halifax.
Now Beyaza.
Halifax.
But we faith, you know.
Halifax.
We faith, you know. Fire other things. But
Like.
Well, Bompire na Nepal no say.
I think by body direction, Mama. No. Obedience be foku. Obedience ginger.
Omo no enye direction.
Na ye den.
10,000 bra.
Na beji 100,000.
Support we mo. Meka say
Bele ni me chanting. The spirit changes it to 100,000.
Chant with the Ghanaian currency.
But have you seen any money?
Oh.
Then you can identify that this was coming from a shrine before. Sikana kita hono. Sikana kita says yam. Usha if shrine. When the catch says scan of if you back of Ghana.
Yeah, Mr. Eliphas. Mr. Eliphas.
Yam wabo.
Only akonfo na wa Ghana. Mame kasem.
Last 2 words.
Meba. What we
Because more interjecting. Nami lande tie me.
I mean you are somewhere you na go me talk back.
Me da siloto na ma. Tie dem ka. Halifax. No kura ne say. Eye by faith. Eye nkrofo enti ase. Yen church nkrofo so o hwa ade a. Enye de we ni so nyina e na ahwa ogidi. Let's train the people. That's why. Number 2. Number 2.
Say by faith there are time specific. Name bad time and kwada show mo.
Na one na gas say kwala show TV that time. TV dey one dia.
Kwada was right on TV anytime. We are free to air.
Oh no, free to air TV but the TV no, the TV is in your home. You direct it by parenting. Charity begins at home, not by God.
Dabi. And also say, ya wani amba bi wo TV so ma yenyi. Uyi ni amba bi wo TV so. Enye. Look what.
You are an elite person like Halifax. That by the law of Facebook, when a child is not above 18 years, don't mean be a Facebook. So of course. But enkrofo wo ma. Ah, o ma be a channel am ankola no. What's their no age? Number 2. Mobile money we Ghana ha no. If you are not 18 years, you can't have a mobile money we mebo a. Akwala wo SS 16 years. Etumi ko eko yiska mobile money. So there are so many errors.
So they should fix their
Simple put.
But
once charity begins at home.
But the laws are also there.
No, the laws that are there.
On television content.
Content, you know, my brother, the content is controlled by parental control. It is you, not the television station. It is you. Per your models of operation. Because you say, but who are maybe you put no SL and A plus 80.
I don't know what I want to see.
Halifax, when we first 725, yeah, UTV. Yeah, the biggest show in Ghana so far. The red light.
Yeah, we do
Sano Mokano. Show no yet 11 p.m. Show no yet 12 p.m. I did see no panel. No be for content, no. Hear late night content, no. And you have to social media. So
that one you don't blame the TV station.
So now me catch us. Say charity begins where? Khalifa susu mi nyawa ye fan kokko.
That's it.
Agrada eye konfo. And she die as our konfo.
Davis should as an evangelist.
As ye konfo.
Bye. Mr. Eliphas. Look through to the
15 minutes. Would you?
aka say
1-5.
me da se bebre pa. Na em say asofo bi nso a won kɔ hɔ a onko bubu won se bosom no. Dabi bosom ba kokure ni hɔ. Dabi. Dabi. Asentenuya ni bia. Also nton ani ekuma ne sem enua ene ade wo asenta hɔ. Enu bi na na egu ono na won pegi ateburu bi. Dabi no dabi. Dabi. Kofe nu egu ono ma nya bosom. Adi teburu to wa. Ana asofo na ekɔ wa no won kura won ni tumi. Won wo tumi pa. Ana won hu ade a anka won be hu se won du won na bosom ba akokure ni ho. Enti won kura no sebe.
Mate enti usi ugu baba yi loto nama.
Eliphas. Loto number no. Medical actually almost say plain white paper.
Plain white paper.
So I say plain white paper. Now plain white paper no. Thank you. And candle. I don't believe say. So in candle.
Candle. Yes, I do so buy and yes, I saw no. Candle and yet the only answer.
Aha. Na candle na mo bi.
Na wo abaye wa de eni ma candle. Nya wani break ra. Uti e mo bra Facebook me maloto na man uni candle. And I was only 15 minutes of anya maji. Oni hwe.
Na kum chacha.
Yeah.
Se wo ni candle ni de yi loto na mai dia. Se obi abeka se wo boa. Se
Da no me ba ha de na me hia na mo ma me bi wa ha. So I just say.
Na ka chom so be enti mo bra candle.
Some of them say by almost.
Where mun nyina ye see you move video so mo tia.
Oh, massa. Enti na me di we ya to me di yes from example achew. Massa.
Na funa na bisa candle no.
So when you be a mammy, it's program it is end and ne.
Se wo to me.
When you say me ba no. Me na me di loto number na say de on fa so yi no. Me na me di be wo mo. Me no wan ye agreement bi asen me ba be ye.
O se ko Facebook mi be yi na masesi a.
Me ba. Ena me ka say on say dan no me ba ya me be ye box no de no. Me won ne ma me de bai.
Enu ye past tense.
Massa. Me won ne ma me de bai because that time na ya kase me ba be ye. Anentisa. Ba ene loto number ne de no say ankasa me be ye. Enti na me de man no. What say? Enkomobo no ene ba mu ene me pese me de paper na ekuta me. Oh, na sa wo jimi di. Ene me pese me de paper we na ekuta me no. Eye example. Ba me de paper ne nko aya enye fe. De me ka what say. So man to me anya ne ya. Ye betumi de ahye da foforo. Ba de na me pese me ye no eye paper ye ekuta me. Na me de aye example. But me person me yes ma obi ehu se ade no eye wre
men fa wa no demonstrate da wo candle no wo ye kan ni na ye ready o look for men say kum cha cha on pesa look wo dey na obetuma ka say Wednesday go ba dey
Aye.
look for o ye wo ba o
Ebi oya obeya mo mi brasa.
na da no me ye na oni ya na oni ya
Se me ni eti na ye no.
Debbie. Dia me pese. Oh, Debbie wonya.
Debbie won't tell us mo bra Facebook messages ya.
Oh, dia me kan na me say ya ye kasa na to wa menda. Sa wo da na ye problem do. And na ya wo da na ye problem. Dia na me kan and say
Sister Giscato Kendo or
oh
0302244
Sister to Kendo bra is ya wa. Kendo dia benye bua ya wa. Kendo kala bra.
0506077
Yes, we bani afọ.
Look.
Me ka bibi ma me fenwie. On say all dey say aduaba ni bi kokko. I confirm grada.
Mhm.
On the aduaba ni bi ase on se bosom.
Mhm.
Ekọ wo ba bi ni ade. O say yase honhom si akwa bi so say wo hwe YouTube no. Akwa bi no channel sa. Wa hu. Okay. And yeah, yeah, will be honey idea. By the American say, a yaza, a trick. BBN. BBN, what? Say, look what you saw Benjamin Yachinia. Yameboa, Ukwada the Menoma, Meboa. I didn't next week. Matu Quincy Akosoro. Number Bishim on a pampum.
Oh, Halifax.
Oh, Halifax in the same to me, yeah. Ah. Halifax, that me buy yes, yeah. Me buy your chocolate in it. You can say.
Who said what used to carry empty?
What's it?
Live on Facebook.
Said they.
Charming money from.
It was not charming.
No. Oh.
Halifax, my house is where the tree of magic. No, my house is where the tree of magic emanated from Accra. Did your candidate Yes, sir. Oh, but ask anybody who knows Professor Green.
Now, who the only me here? How many of you here?
And that's who you Professor Green.
Na me catch the baby idea me fini e fie na fie. Eti. David na.
Halifax, we yes, I'm doing way out. Member be here be am wo hu. David,
Mr. One Yesika. One Yesika.
eti wonu na dwa nanum.
Or the sika she ade na se no twen draw na kire mo.
Yes.
And na me catch say one be Yesika.
NLC. Omo TV no so.
Thank you.
Enyo mo nyina.
Oh, washe.
Me say.
Washe.
The guy has done some optical illusions.
We bet matna ha.
Optical
Ama.
illusions.
Oh, me say. And na optical illusions no be here no. And no nya spiritual.
I can't say it's spiritual.
And na me be so tia say. The other one that
into your bad
you were optical illusions and no you natural by tricks. And you what illusion that is by spirits.
Oh boy. Ya wade be afra editing.
Oh, share the bed.
Oh,
what was that? Mama Jones so did no. Oh, Jones so 7 times.
Oh, massa.
Why the Mama Jones on that?
Me.
Wo. Dia wo te wa ye.
Halifax, me dia men come back.
Adamio.
For me the next 2 minutes. Say Jones on the this here now.
Man 2 minutes.
I'm just slow.
Dabi man 2 minutes.
I don't give.
Oh, Mr. Halifax, man 2 minutes.
Dabi slow ma kum chacha.
Dabi
slow man.
What dia man 2 minutes. Fa me tam ne man.
Said they. Eti mama time no.
Okay, yeah.
I don't want to say I can't invite you here and embarrass you.
What do you call embarrassment?
Because what you mean?
Ah, me see mama Jones so the kum chacha.
Man nye.
Me na mama opportunity.
Eti na mama.
Because what you mean?
Halifax, oh mama.
Halifax for man of fa me tam ne man.
Oh, you mean yes sir. And then ya dey obetumi aye.
Mama Jones so ade no.
Ya na udwa wanum sa ya na afa say ye.
Ewe nya nuda.
Ah.
Me catch up me 2 minutes me check kwa Jones so.
Oh.
Exactly 11:53 a.m. on May 10, the year 2021. I'm tired of the bragging and the Numgano. Lutrot, live radio, my Jones from the
Kum chacha. For phone to.
Me dey ato.
You space me for any.
Kwasi asem kwa. Me
Daddy,
twa wadwini abajo so ade me hwe ne so wa. Me.
why is person? Be your shirt no 3 buttons.
Massa, on to me, bro.
Aha, one problem no. There one problem no. Me be ya ma de. And I make sure the onion na me nya ma de a. O si ade.
As if for my farm from going to see Hawaii.
Ade go ni si why then?
They be won't me get papa penny.
Na ke mama do so ade no. Say wo kasa no, wo si asofo be gina asa agra radio musika me bo a. Kwa na so fa si yo musika. Na ka me suma sunsun ma ko we do so ade no. Am we fi se. Akoto saba.
Ente wo so.
Oye bema obi ni shirt.
Press wo so. You better na ka ka wo say. You better na get bibia. Toilet be di wo sisi.
Ah, me ji we chinye da. Ba me chese opa on dia do. Me ma we yi ni space. Obi bi ni shirt. Na ka me huna do so. E di no wan dwa no be do so no. Hwa mu ka se den.
Ose.
Hwa ye ni abre o.
Kasa wo we vat na so.
O se den.
Kasa vat
Na
na so.
me ka se you space aso se na yem show.
Some nim say who just
Na do so ne ba. Do so ne ba.
Hello. Yay! Only our man who go and I would also like to say. I'll leave it up.
Now we are wine. That we are wine.
Oh, David Kaneshi.
No, David Kaneshi on your relevant is a kumchacha.
Yeah, David, that's why. Who is my next caller? 0302243529, 0302243547, and 050607751. Hello.
Hello, Oliver.
Yes.
Martin.
Yes, bro, no referee.
I think I can't do that.
Oh, Jam, Mama, don't go away.
But I look at women in the Iraq, I'm a jam. Or better be a good to be a party in tomorrow.
Ah!
I don't know to only to back.
Say, Papa, never be trained. I dream with you on this bad name.
Cancer. Oh, you to buy me your papa and Mr. Cancer. We do Yami. The American no.
Ne bonne did bonny bane, then I can slide.
Not na Oliver.
Yea.
Put him in the radio that I came to catch. Or what the one or your man.
Oh, that or treachery.
Na obi aban kana ha obi maame na ahwe no amana ha ndan okọ wale maame ya obedidi obeda obese maame ya
Na obi maame hwewa oyo maame enim guase mu nsua de o maame tie kura na obi ahwe won kan na wagye awade ama won so bebi anum ya ne da mu wu ntem no umu ade obi ahwe wagye awade ama mu nsua de ye kira de mu nsua de na mu ngya ahomaso no sua de ne gya ahomaso no kono obi mbra na wo de kan nyina kura de oba hye mo fa de mbom timi da se ne se
Yeah, mama, that's it. That's never doing trade. 0302, and this is my last call. 0302243529, 0302243547, 0506077521. Who would be my last caller? Hello. Hello.
hello
Impacho with Dean Miguel referee. Well, even here, nah.
Alivas
Counselor.
me da se
Yeah, bon.
ye pon ye ko ide me nka se de di kai me nda wase se wonti se kum chacha waji jinje yare sa ondi e ho adanse da na me hira
Oh, would you know your power?
waresa ondi adanse da na me nka se obi o wi bibia na obi ka chem se ne yemu tim ala mo kan se mo twim se sa de kan constipation no pan so no say de o kan ye no or try share somebody just calls or try de o kan la share or read in saba kum yenu kai na ye fun abi
It's clear the
0277 609 644 we nya kum chacha azani bi we 0277 609 644 just from Naji Ginger na
say your margin and your but in root in the napapia said sorry ahomache no me ko change.
no
Many a penny.
It was this enya candle ma wa.
Our nyame ya do mo a ye beba next week. Say unim say my ye bi da mo wo hu. Eti no unim say Ghana nyina obi apa nko mo YouTube wo no na onhwe kwan a me fa so a me ye no ne ade. Nyame ya do mo a ochena ene Monday ahemrachin me preach wo NIT FM 100.9 NIT FM 100.9. It will be a momodin say obi to me ATM a free 5. I will be a momodin say obi to me ATM. Obi to me so I was up my number by be out from media mean to me 0542 51